Wait. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? And in today's video, I'll be showing my. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my slime collection. So, yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay. So I don't have as many because I gave them to everybody. So yeah, I still have a lot, but like I don't have a lot. I don't know. This is a really nice one. This is why I haven't given it to anybody yet. I just bit my tongue. And some I haven't touched in so long, they might be so sticky. Okay, so that's that one. I'm not putting names on them because I don't even know the names, so yeah. That was that one. Got some rocks here. I got a cloud slime that I made. This is nice. It's like fluffy. I made it obviously with instant snow, but like it's like fluffy, like very fluffy. It's like sticky kind of, but like not, I don't know. I like it. And get the drizzles. That was not good. This is really nice. Up. That's my dad. Okay, I am obsessed with this. I can't let go, but I have to. Okay, so I'm so happy because today is Friday. This is a sticky one, I think. I don't even know. I haven't touched it. It's like foam. This is all it is right here, just foam. Yeah, I think this is, okay. We're gonna set this right here because there is a bunch of fallout and I don't want that all over my counter. And if you don't know what fallout means, I'm guessing you will do, but like it means when everything's like on it, like on the, like it falls out, literally. It's called fallout because like it's like if your makeup, it could fall like from here, it could like fall out under here. So you can't see very well, but there is, yes, a bunch of fallout. So that's not very good. But it's okay, I guess. Okay, so that was kind of sticky. But we're fine, right? Whoa, look at inside of that. It's like a makeup gloss kind of thing. Wow, this is so glossy. Just today I gave my friend some slime. So I don't have really two really good ones, but who really cares? I don't play with slime. I could give a giveaway, except they're all really bad and gross. I actually really like this one though. I didn't make it, my friend did. Nice crunch to it. You can see my pantry back there. Okay. It's got a little rip, but it's fine. Okay, the next slime is in this. I don't even know. Oh my goodness. I think this is the one I was trying to clear up, and it never, like, it's clear, but like, whoa. It's like, oh my God. Are you kidding me? Why did I touch that? Okay. Who cares? Okay, I see you, slime. I see you, girl. She is thick. She's good. She's nice. She's smooth. She's thick. That is some clear skin. Yes. Why am I going like that? I'm cute, right? Tonight I'ma fight the only world. I don't know what that was for, but yeah, that was that slime, so yeah. Tonight I'ma fight. Okay, this one is super sticky. I didn't even, ew, what's in that? It's not sticky, it's basically hard now. Whoa, it's cool. This is kind of satisfying, to be honest. It hurts. It literally, it freaking hurts. Oh my God. What the heck? Crap. It's not. Jesus. God. Look how much fallout's on this one. It just hurts. Finally. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna say no. So we're putting you away. Bye. Somebody's gonna step on a rock, but I honestly don't care. Okay. Here's a. What? It's actually so pretty down there. Okay. It's a little. I can tell it's a little watery. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, crad. Crad. I'm getting a spoon because we need spoons for this type of stuff, guys. I don't know who. Like what? This has been freaking 8 minutes. It's pretty freaky 8 minutes. I made this on Halloween or something. I don't know. Should I do more slime videos, guys? Should I start doing slime again? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs. No, just comment down below. Say which should I do? More slime. Comment down below what videos I should do because I really don't have a lot of video ideas. This is what I did with the purple one and it worked. So, okay, nope, not working. So you know what I sometimes do when it doesn't work? I take just a little bit of flour and it works. Just take a tiny bit. Don't overdo it. Sometimes how I do and go overboard and then get into the science stuff. So let's not do that. I got a fork for some reason. Let's just try that. Nope. makes it even more stickier. That's weird. Sometimes it kind of depends on the slime, but sometimes it could make it a little bit more sticky. I don't even know, but this kind of sucks. I was so close to dropping that. I wish I could do an instant replay. I don't like editing, so all of this is not edited. Oh my God. Okay. We're gonna stay calm on this one. In and out, in and out. Okay. So we're gonna plop with that in there without trying to make a huge mess. This is not very pleasant, is it? We are gonna, you can get slime off of the table using, so if you, this is a tool I use, you put, see how the slime's coming off it onto my hands? It kind of sticks onto your hands, and then you could wash your hands after. And it comes off the table with flour. Just go like this, and it'll work. Don't worry. Okay, let's wash my hands, right? Yeah, it's like pumpkin guts. I think I named this something like that. Actually, I'm not even gonna wash my hands. I'm just gonna we'll see the mess at the end, you know? We're gonna do that. No cleaning up. No cleaning up. Okay, so I am gonna go. My brother is coming. What? What are you doing? JJ, what are you doing? JJ.
What?
What are you doing?
Rocking tofu.
Okay, let's move on to our next one. So this is a butter slime. I really like this one. Except it's sticker! Ah! Ooh, this one looks kind of nice. Okay, except a little sticky, so. Yeah, this is glossy, but very watery and sticky. So, no, I haven't touched these in so long. That's why they're so ew. No! Oh, good. No! Okay, it's fine. This was a water slime, except it like turned. It's now a jiggly slime, kind of, I guess. I don't really know. I don't even know because I haven't touched it in so long. It's kind of nice. I kind of like this one. Let's gather everything in it. Every single thing. Okay. We're freaking done. Why do I say freaking instead of frickin' or something else? Okay, I am so done with this. I have to clean this mess up. And yeah, so you guys can watch me if you want or click off, but make sure to give it a like. So if you are leaving then, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace. Okay, hey people that didn't leave. Thanks. You guys will get nothing. Just wait until other people leave. Okay. Wait until the other people leave and then we could stay. Okay. Okay, so you guys will get nothing. Sorry. Peace. Okay, hey guys, now that they're gone, I could just have a little time with me and you know? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yay. I got a mustache. Pins, let's check. Don't you come into my pins, or whatever it says. Okay. Guys, now I am just taking it off with the, you know, the, whatever it's called. What's it? Flower. Duh. I'll take you guys somewhere. I'll take you guys on my trampoline if you want. If you don't want, then just click off. But like it. And if you do want to come on the trampoline and me with then stay. Okay, so I clean this mess up. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands and hopefully everything's good, right? And then I have to put my, I need a towel. Where are towels? What the heck? I'll go down here. Okay. Oh, now let's put these back. Ugh. So gross. Oh, we're getting to more of the cleaner. Okay, we're done with that. Now let's go on to my trampoline. Okay, guys. Actually, my brother's on this, so I'm gonna have to say bye to you guys because he probably doesn't want to be in this video. So, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace, y'all. Peace. Who's coming? Let's see who's coming. Jonah, buddy.